So today we will talk about very interesting topic, that is acid, bases and salt. So when we just look into our surrounding, we see different kind of things. For example, when we talk about this lemon juice is acidic in nature. So all those substances which are sour in taste, they are acidic in nature. For example, I have this washing powder. This is bitter in taste, but we cannot taste all those acids and bases because I have some strong acid like HCl, NaOH, we cannot taste them. They are corrosive in nature. If they will fall on our skin get burned. So that's why we have some special indicators to test whether this substance is acidic or basic. So the substances which give different color with acid, different color with bases are called as indicators. So we will talk about first litmus as an indicator. Litmus is a paper which is obtained from a plant which is called lichens. So I have two colored paper. This is blue color paper and this is red color paper. I will take one strip from each and I will try to check what kind of a color it will give with acid, what kind of a color it will give with base. So generally, which I have written here on the board, when we talk about acid turn blue litmus paper into red. So we will check whether this acid convert blue litmus paper into red. I have this acidic solution which is lemon juice. So I am just checking it whether it is changing or not. So I am just adding it like this slowly. Yes, and you can see the color is changing or not. See, this blue litmus paper is turning into red. So this clearly indicates that acids are those substances which convert blue litmus paper into red. You can also dip this solution into this your lemon juice. And if I will take red litmus paper, then what will happen? Let us check. This is red litmus paper. If I am adding it in acid, then what will happen? Is any color change or not? Just observe. Observe it. You can see no change happening. Is any change? No, sir. It remains red. So you get to know that acid turns blue litmus paper into red. But there is no change on red. Got it? Similarly, now we will try to check with base. This is a base. This is a base. So we will check. Bases are those substances which convert red litmus paper into which? Blue. Blue. We will check whether it is converting into blue or not. Just observe. You can see this is converting into blue, clearly blue. So red is converting into blue. I have another solution also. Let me check. Let me check with another solution. Blue litmus into red. Acid convert blue litmus into red. Just check. This is a very strong acid, HCl, and you can see it is clearly converting into red. Blue into red. And similarly, I will check with another base which is sodium hydroxide, NaOH. We will check. Just observe whether it is turning into blue or not. Yes, it is converting into blue. So I think this is clear to everyone.
Yes,
thank you.
Sir.